Alright, we got 2 cylinders running now. And because of the new configuration, there's no timing issues. It's automatically preset, pre-timed. As you can hear, it fires perfectly every time. So yeah, that's a lot of push now. I wish you could see the stack. Boy, that stack really jumped. When you put your hand up here, you can really feel the power. And it keeps wanting to work those loose. Probably going to have to put some pins in here to hold those. But yep, double pump. As you can see, there's a lot of air bubbles coming up here. That's from the new sniffer valve. So that's working like it's supposed to. Everything's doing good. We'll go have a look at the top side and see what's happening with the tank.